Hello, I'm Paula Lutze from GrapeSEED and we're doing Monday Fun with Marvin. So today I wanted to show you guys how you can make a jellyfish in a bottle craft. So the things you're gonna need are a large plastic bottle. You're gonna also need a white plastic bag, a rubber band, some scissors, and some dark blue food coloring, okay? So what you're gonna do first is you're gonna take your bag and we're gonna make the jellyfish head. So what you do is you kind of just put it together, take your rubber band your head, okay? And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna take your scissors and you're gonna cut tentacles out of your bag. I've already pre-cut my tentacles, but then after you do that, you're gonna take your jellyfish and you're actually gonna shove him in the water bottle, and then we're gonna go fill it up with water, okay? All right, so now we filled our bottle up with water, and so my daughter, Elaina, is gonna help me. Can you add the food coloring in here? Okay. All right, squeeze a whole bunch. All right, let's try that. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the top on. We're gonna put the top on, and you're gonna shake it.
Again.
All right, hold on.
What?
And look, we have a jellyfish. Look at that. Do you see the jellyfish in the bottle? He's going to the top. And then if you do that, look at his tentacles move. Can you see him? Now, if you want yours to be a little lighter, don't put as much food coloring in, or if you want to add glitter, you can do that. So there's lots of different ways you can do this. And then your kids can just play with it and actually do a little science experiment as well. All right, until next time, we're signing off. Bye. You say bye.
Bye.